Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sell Fashionwave items for a higher price in Heartopia. Talk to Azure and go to sell items and select check out today's high price procurement offers. You'll see the consignment list that is needed for you to have in your inventory so you're able to sell it for a higher price. So it cannot be all of the items you have from the Fashionwave. So this person has the consignment list that I'm looking for. Press this button and you're just going to sell the items to your friend. You can, to other DG members. You can only sell up to 10,000 Fashionwave tokens, so keep that in mind. Also bring some food because it does take 30 of their energy. And yeah, that is how you can sell your Fashionwave items for a higher price. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!